Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a recipe called Mamak Style Chicken. It is easy to make, so let's go through the ingredients. You will need cooking oil, chicken dipped in turmeric powder, chopped onions, coconut cream, mixed spice or halma mix, chili powder, curry leaves, and finally tamarind. Let's start cooking. Firstly, mix the chicken with turmeric. Pour the oil in the pan with medium heat. Then, fry the chicken until it is slightly brownish. This is perfect. Now, we shall start with the gravy. Pour some cooking oil in low heat. We start by putting the mixed spice or halba mix first. Then, drop the curry leaves and mix them together. Next, we add in the chopped onions. We add the tamarind, mixed with some water. Remember to throw the seeds away. Once they are evenly mixed, we add some chili powder. Add the coconut cream into the mixture. Stir them evenly. Finally, we add the fried chicken. Make sure to mix them thoroughly until they are done in about 5 minutes. And voila! They are ready to serve. It is preferred to eat with white rice. Happy cooking! Yummy! Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.